Hey everybody, it's Caleb from Spike. Today we're going to show you how to use the new Spike mill.
Start by removing all packing materials. Assemble the grain hopper to the mill body using the 4 hopper bolts and 5mm hex key provided. We offer a few options to catch your milled grain. If you're using the Spike bucket adapter, place your mill on a flat surface upside down. Then, line up the bucket adapter with the corresponding holes located on the bottom of the mill. Use the 4 M6 mounting bolts included in the mill box along with the hex key to secure your adapter to the mill body. Once installed, turn the mill right side up and place the assembled adapter and mill onto the bucket. Note, the bucket adapter fits most 5-gallon buckets. We also have a purpose-built mill table. Each table, available for both the Home and Pro, was specifically built for each corresponding unit. After following table assembly instructions, fasten the mill to the table using the 4 mounting bolts. The funnel underneath is an extra layer of dust mitigation. Now that your mill is set up, let's get it ready to mill some grain. To set your mill gap, simply turn the front dial to your desired setting that aligns with the gap setting mark. Pro tip: you may need to use both hands to turn the dial, as the mill was designed to stay locked in at your desired gap setting even with the vibration of the milling process. Once you have your setting locked in, press the power button located on the back side of the mill. We recommend always turning your mill on before adding grain to prevent any clogging issues. Pour your grain into the hopper and let the mill do its thing. The home hopper was specifically designed to hold enough grain to fill but not overflow a 5-gallon bucket, while the Pro hopper was designed to handle a full 55-pound bag. When you're finished, simply push the power button again to turn off the mill. If your mill will be stored away when not in use, we have integrated a cord wrap for quick storage. The Spike mill is designed to crush a year's worth of grain without needing extensive maintenance, but keeping it clean is important. Remove the dust funnel by squeezing the tabs on each side and pulling it out from the bottom. Turn the mill back on. Using compressed air, clean out the roller area of the mill from both the top and the bottom while moving the adjustment dial back and forth. Turn the mill off, replace the dust funnel, and you're good to go for another year. Now, to make our lawyers happy, do not put your fingers near the rollers when the unit is plugged in operation, or being maintained. Refrain from using water or other liquids for cleaning your mill. The Spike mill is chain-driven. Do not adjust the chain inside the mill. The chain is preset during assembly at Spike and does not need adjustment.
That's a wrap. Hope you guys enjoy the new Spike mill. If you have any questions, reach out to our customer service team. I'm sorry, I'm losing it.